Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the always on display not working. So in this device I already enabled the always on display. Let's go to settings, tap on lock screen and AOD. Here you can see the always on display is already enabled. Now lock the device. Now you can see the lock always on display is not there. Right? So let me show you how to fix this problem. Tap on always on display, then here you can see the option when to show. Tap on this one. So from here you need to select the option always. Now again let me show you. Now you can see when the device is locked, the always on display is enabled. So simply in this way we can fix the always on display is not working on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.